Are you looking for a great deal on a single family home very close to the coast? Well, tomorrow from 1 to 4, I'm going to be at an open house at just such a house. And it's a great deal for you. It's actually a listing by a friend of mine, Jennifer Ball. And stay tuned. I'm going to give you her contact information so you can call her about this place. But the house address is 3591 Cedar Creek Run. And this is in Little River in the River Hills Golf Community. It's really a picturesque little community with beautiful homes, and it's well maintained, well taken care of. And the HOA fees are very inexpensive, $70 a month, which is unheard of down here at the coast. So it's not very expensive as far as HOA goes. The price on the house itself, look, this seller is motivated. $375,000 is the asking price. This house should easily go for $100,000 more than that. If you look at other homes in this community, you'll see that I'm right. So this is your one and only chance to get a great bargain on a fantastic house. And it's got a 2-car garage. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, so plenty of room for your large family or to have a guest suite because it is a double master layout. So you have 2 primary bedrooms, one on the first floor and one on the second. Lots of storage in this house, which is another thing that houses these days tend to lack and neglect is storage. So if you want to know more about this, if you can't make it out to the open house tomorrow, again, that's 1 to 4 on June the 2nd. You can call Jennifer. Jennifer's number is 843-267-7733. Stay tuned because I want to show you a video that Jennifer made to give you an idea of what this house looks like. And again, you can look it up online at realtor.com just by typing in 3591 Cedar Creek Run in Little River, South Carolina. I hope to see you there tomorrow. God bless you all.